there, I'm Cora. Welcome back to my channel. I am talking extra fast today because there is a parking garage right across from here and there's a car alarm that keeps going off. Today we are starting a travel vlog headed to Tampa, Florida to leave for a 1-week cruise. We're going with my family. We're headed to a few different locations in Mexico as well as Belize, which is kind of like the star of the trip. But first things first, I gotta bring this sweet girl, hi Stelly, to the border so that she can hang out with some new friends. And then we have to head to the airport. Hey. We are waiting at the Charlotte airport for the bus to come and pick us up. It's a little chilly, but Snowmageddon was a disappointment.
This is all that Snowmageddon was.
We have family members coming from 4 states. One of them is Florida, so they have no problems, but the ones coming from Ohio and Minnesota are severely delayed, so fingers crossed that they join us on the cruise.
Elle, are you cold?
Hi guys, I am caffeinated. We went to Flatbread and Butter and got coffee and breakfast sandwiches. I got a matcha and it was delicious. If you're ever in the Tampa area, Tampa downtown, 10 out of 10, highly recommend. And now it's time to get the boarding day backpack ready. You're able to drop your luggage with the employees and they bring it to your door, and then when your room is ready you can like get in, whatever. But during that time frame you end up with anywhere from like an hour to like 4 or 5 hours where you don't have your luggage. So you need to have a backpack or a bag or whatever packed up with the things that you're gonna want for those hours. Sunscreen, flip-flops, swimsuit, little cover up. It's surprisingly and uncharacteristically chilly in Tampa right now. It was like 40-some degrees. So like I'm bringing these things, but while we're docked, I am probably gonna stay in leggings and a sweater.
Broken dreams in the corner.
Hey, imagine your shirt really good on camera.
Smoldering ashes, shadows of yesterday ghosts.
Hi guys, wanted to do a quick outfit of the night before I changed out of my dinner outfit. The dress is Sail to Sable. They don't, I believe, carry this exact print anymore, but if you go on ThredUp, Poshmark, any of those like consignment websites, they always have Sail to Sable items at great prices, and the quality is so good that even when you buy the items secondhand, they're always still, I mean, like, you know, read the descriptions, but they're usually in great condition. Anyways, jewelry is just my wedding necklace, my wedding rings. Can you like see that on there? My Mrs. ring from Rotani Jewels, and then I took them off, but I wear these cute pearl flats. There's the brand. I don't really know how to say that. I love these. I wore them for my bridal shower. That is that for now. We're gonna head to trivia and then the comedy show.
No word, chords in flames, silent scream. Rusty fences hold back nothing, nothing but memories. Night's cold whisper secrets, buried deep inside.
DJ Taste wants to put in like a song for each.
Roll it in the butter.
And then pop it in your mouth. Oh. Beautiful.
I think I just saw her go through every stage of grief.
What's the review? The paparazzi wants to know. Bria, did you know that you got land bugs and then you got sea bugs? This is our man. Getting on the bus.
If the rain is very uneven like this.
It's a bit chilly. Stream is picking up a little. Oh! I have lost a nail.
This is a nest made by a flycatcher.
Oh.
We have a lot of these flycatchers in this area. Also not some margate.
Tethering the tubes. Yeah, he's a thing. We have an outfit of the day.
How's that fit check? Got Ella.
Sneakers are A6 and so. Swimsuit is J. Crew and got it. Yeah, the issue is neither of them are very good at listening.
Get out of the tube! Water bottle. Now you can see a little bit of activity of dripping water. Some of this dripping water is actually rotation, just drop into water. Of course, you can also see those dark round holes. Water bottle from there. It's a long time. On the side here where we have a drip line or a lifeline. The possibility of a crack going all the way up to the surface. This is the only section connected water, which one breaking up formation.
You guys getting a little wet? Oh no. I can't get it to turn off. There it goes. Matt, I'm gonna grab my shirt. Let's drive.
This is how they sell shirts. And we gotta ship across.
Thank you. We are back from cave tubing, got showered and cleaned up, just blow dried my hair. I love this dress. It's from Ivy and Leo. It is almost a full length maxi, and then I have my pearl little flats on. I love the bows. Look how cute these are. I actually got this around 4th of July and didn't end up wearing it. This is my first go at it, but I do really like it. Straps are adjustable. Look. Oh, and the mocked back, which is my husband's least favorite thing on any of my dresses because he says it's the hardest to zip up, but that's okay. All right, gonna grab a drink or two before dinner and continue on with the night. Bye. Matt bribed me with a tequila soda lime so that I would explore more with him. The hardest time with my tequila.
Before we arrive into our last port called Costa Maya.
It's in the sunlight, laughter in the breeze, moments frozen away, times we can't freeze, stories told
Still on the vacation market.
life in color.
I'm the videographer.
Watch our love grow. Words and poetry.
Grande.
Feel the world subside.
Fresh tomato, some lime, and remember, don't touch a pepper with your hands.
Smash it, smash it, smash it. Squeeze the lime in. Yep. Lots of salt.
Just a round pepper.
And now take your fork and start squishing. Like so don't follow the rules. What do you think is going to be best with? I think maybe chunkier, honestly, since the avocado is so.
Alcancen. Wow.
Words and poetry.
One,
Youthful hearts collide. Living out our fantasy. Feel the world subside.
So I was trying to listen to your instructions.
Words and poetry.
With bird feathers. Due to the conquest The attire has been changing each of the colors. A sunlight or
headed to the second formal dinner wearing this adorable dress. I got it from Petal and Pup, but I believe that the original creator is Sister Jane, though I could be wrong on that. I know they have a denim version that's identical, and Petal and Pup doesn't just carry their own line. Anyways, have my wedding necklace back on, little pearl studs, threw the hair up into a bun, wearing my Garmin and a little Words Project bracelet. Words Matter is my favorite one as somebody who writes a lot. But also I always wear my Garmin. I don't care if it ruins the formality, because if you're going up a couple flights of stairs, it doesn't count if it's not tracked. Anyways, little Just Fab booties. These are my go-to cruise heels because I can actually get up and down the stairs in them. All right, excuse our kind of chaotic cruise room at this cabin at this point. I'm gonna go to dinner.